Good morning, children. In our last video, we saw how Mother Wolf grew fond of the man cub and was determined to protect him from Sher Khan. She lovingly named the man cub Mowgli the Frog. Now, let's read and find whether Mowgli gets accepted by the Pack Council. When the cubs could run a little, Mother and Father Wolf took them and Mowgli to the council rock. Akela, the leader of the pack, sat on a rock, and below him sat 40 wolves in a circle. All the cubs played in the center of the circle. One by one, every mother showed her cubs to the pack. Each time this happened, Akela would cry, "You all know the law. Look well, O wolves." At last came Mowgli's turn, and Father Wolf pushed Mowgli forward. From behind the rocks came the voice of Sher Khan. "The cub is mine. Give him to me." Akela didn't even twitch his ears and said, "Now, the law of the jungle lays down that if there is any quarrel about a cub, any two members of the pack must speak for him, except his parents." The only other creature who was allowed at the pack council was Baloo. He was a kind brown bear who taught the wolf cubs the law of the jungle. He stood up and said, "I speak for the man's cub. Let him run with the pack. I will teach him myself." "We need one more." "Who speaks besides Baloo?" said Akela. Mother and Father Wolf take their cubs and Mowgli to be shown to the pack council. Every mother showed her cubs to the pack so that they recognized them as their own and would not harm them. Akela, the leader of the pack, appealed the wolves to look at the cubs very carefully. When it was Mowgli's turn, Sher Khan roared to give the man cub to him. Akela just ignored Sher Khan and continued to say that according to the law of the jungle, if there was any quarrel about the cubs, two members of the pack other than his parents should speak in favor of the cub. Baloo, the bear, attended the meeting of the pack council as he was the teacher of the wolf cubs. Baloo was the first member of the pack to speak for Mowgli to be raised by his foster parents. Here the new word we come across is twitch, which means move suddenly. Now let's make a sentence on it. The dog twitched its ears when he heard a strange noise past midnight. A black shadow dropped down into the circle. It was Bagheera, the Black Panther. He was a brave and clever animal. Everyone in the pack knew him. "Oh, Akela," he purred, "I am not a member of your pack, but please listen to me. The law of the jungle says that the life of a cub may be bought at a price. I can pay that price. I will give you a fat, fresh bull if you will accept the man cub. Do you agree?" "Let him be accepted," cried the wolves. And then came Akela's deep cry, look well, O wolves." And this is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf pack and found his family. Bagheera, the Black Panther, was known to the pack of wolves. He offered to pay the price for life of Mowgli The prize was in the form of fresh meat of a fat bull to be given to the pack. The wolves shouted their approval, and thus Mowgli finds his family. Here in the story, Akela the leader enforces discipline and obedience in the pack and respect for the law of the jungle. The author conveys the message that we should learn from the animal world and become disciplined members of the society. Thank you, children. Have a good day.